Welcome to our exciting world of outdoor fun with the single unit FRP MAPS. Designed with kids in mind, this vibrant playground equipment is packed with thrilling features to keep young adventurers entertained for hours. First up, let's talk about the centerpiece of this playground wonderland, the FRP spiral slide in a brilliant shade of blue. Kids can twist and turn down its spiral path, feeling the rush of excitement with every twist and turn. Next, we have the FRP crescent slide in a sunny yellow hue, offering a different kind of sliding experience that's just as exhilarating. As if that weren't enough, 3 bright blue stars adorn the middle of the slides, adding a touch of magic and wonder. But the fun doesn't stop there. Swing into action on the 2-seater swing, perfect for sharing laughs and creating unforgettable memories with friends. And don't forget to look up. And above it all, a delightful strawberry canopy casts a playful shade, adorned with a whimsical butterfly and a blooming flower. With its vibrant colors, thrilling slides, and playful features, the single unit FRP MAPS is sure to be a hit with kids of all ages. Get ready for endless adventures and smiles as you explore this exciting outdoor oasis. With the single unit FRP MAPS, every moment becomes an adventure, every corner brims with imagination. Get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime in this enchanting outdoor paradise.